shite, I forget. Hold on. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today on this episode of Share Own Style, we will be trying out a shite, I forget. Hold on again. We will be trying out a U-part wig that I got from AliExpress, and if you hear noise in the background, that's my kids making noise, by the way. But yeah, we'll be trying out a U-part wig from AliExpress. I'm excited because I've never tried a U-part wig before. So let's get into it. Right, so this lace wig is from Walace wig. It's 100% virgin here. Get into the package. Let's get here. And they sent you a wig cap. Sent me a wig cap. And do you see that flow? You'll be walking in the wing going
okay.
Right, for this to install it, you need to take out your hair, and my hair is currently in a bun and two of these limpsy thing going on. So undo my hair. I know I don't have the longest of hair, but at least I got hair on my head. Anyway, adjust the camera, and I'm looking this way because I'm parting my hair. So you have to put it in the box because it's a U wig. You need to leave out a middle part. And my daughter is my helper today. If you guys want to see her, 1 minute. There she is, and you'll see I'm using 2 ring lights. Like I said, I'm still in the process of learning to edit in video. So yeah, anyway, so I've parted it. Now I'm going to part my hair in 2 and then plait it in 2 and then put the wig on. So people, instead of plaiting it, I just put it back into in a little bun thing. Now I will attempt to put the wig on. Wig on, guys. Wig has pins in it, so what you do is just bear with me, put it on your head like so, and then you just stick it
right through.
1 minute. Now it's on, but let me tell you one thing. Kids, make sure I've installed the wig, but one thing I must say, when you're putting on a U-part wig, make sure your hair is cane rolled, especially if it's got pin like this one that you have to push down. But anyway, we move. I was going to glue this bit, but I'm just trying it. It's like I'm not going anywhere, so let's move on. So now I'm about to straighten this part of my hair. I'm gonna use my straightener. I got this straightener from Amazon. It's called Remington. Anyway, this straightener is good. Like, look at the steam coming out of it. It's really good, even though it was what, £15. It's good. So I'm gonna part here, part the thing like so. Then I'm going to press this because I want a middle part in, so press my own hair over the wig. So now that I've pressed the hair, let me go off camera and finish this off.
A few moments later.
So guys, this is really taking long. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do big plonks. Big plonks. My daughter laughing at me. It's not funny. I'm a very impatient person. So yeah, big plonks.
No.
Okay guys, so now I have moved over to the other side. I'm going to go off camera. So yeah, I'm gonna go off camera and then do the other side and come back. And I'm back and I've curled the hair. Don't mind me watching over this, I'm watching it myself. And the hair, I've curled my hair and put on some big hoops. Let me know in the comments if you like it curly or you had liked it straight. Yeah, it's a really nice hair, easy to work with. And this is a U-part wig. So yeah, that will be the end of this video. So if you would like to see more videos from me and my kids and whatever I do nails also. My next video will probably be about nails. Please like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. And I will see you in the next video.